welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and today I'm here to open some more doll stuff. Let's get into it. Oh no. So there seems to be a coat, and I have to cover this part with my hand because my name's written on it. But it looks very nice. Let me see if I can get this out of the bag so that my name doesn't show. And they included a list of things that should be included. So let's open these up. I think I'm gonna leave the coat to the last because that feels like it's the most exciting. So I'm gonna start with this shirt. So I ordered these from SartoriaJ in Etsy. And I am curious to see if they fit the Impel doll body. These are made for the Impel House body. It seems large, but then again, this is a loose shirt, so I think I will be able to use this regardless. I'll show you all of these items on the doll as well afterwards. The fabric is very thin, and it feels like it would look draped very well on the doll. It seems to be machine sewn, so no hand stitching. There is a detail in the cufflink. You can button it on or off. Everything looks very neat, which is something one of the reasons why I decided to buy these things instead of making them. I like to make things hand sewn, and for this particular character that does not fit. So I'm just gonna put this shirt to the side. And the pants. These are the ones that are most likely to not fit or to be too large on the doll, but you know, it'll be a thing that we'll figure out together. So, okay, in the back there's a sort of lacing detail. I hope you can see this. And a gore so that you can shut it, and there is room for the butt even when the doll is moving around. This is kind of a fake leather feeling thing, and it has gotten a little wrinkled up in transit, but I'm hoping that those will smoothen out when worn. I really like this waist detail. Just something nice that is not going to be too overpowering. Yes, I do quite like these. So these will definitely go on, or I will attempt to do so anyway. And these are sort of a dark charcoal brown is the description, and I think that is quite apt. And last, and the thing that I was most looking forward to, is the coat. So this is much larger. It already looks quite sturdy, the fabric. Let's take it out. Okay, oh, there seems to be multiple pieces. So the coat itself, a belt. I really like this. The detailing is so nice. All of these have been sewn on, no glue. very good, very good. Again, adjustable if you have a larger doll, that is going to be very useful. Then I think this is the cord to close the jacket with, and then a fabric. I think this is for the waist, to use as accessorizing as you wish. Oh, there's two. Okay, so there's a sort of almost purpley brown. It's a very interesting color. It looks like it'll be neat for multiple different angles, and different lighting will show that up a bit differently. These feel a bit like suede-ish, but they are definitely fake and very like thin. This is a thicker or wider fabric. I think these are supposed to be both worn at the same time. Okay, and then I'll take a look at the coat itself, which is something I've been looking very forward to. Okay, so let me take you up on a different angle. So this is the coat laid out. It looks very neat on the inside. I really like that it has this kind of detail. It makes me feel very confident that this will be a good fit for many different shaped dolls, be it they specifically the Eiffel House or not. I really want to see this one on the doll. So Adrian here is going to be our model. He's the one I got these for. So let me put them on. I'm foreseeing a bit of difficulty, especially with the shirt that I made. It's not ideal, but I'll get back to you in a bit. And here he is, all dressed up. So that took a fair bit longer than I anticipated, but everything went on and fits perfectly, even though Impel Doll and Eiffel House are a bit differently sized. So I would definitely recommend purchasing from this person. Oh no, he's gonna fall. No? Okay, good. Quality wise, it's very good. I love all the detailing. It's similar, I feel like it's similar in quality to Eiffel House's official clothes, especially the shirt. But this example vest is lined, whereas the jacket isn't, though the jacket is thicker material, so I don't think I would want the jacket line, because it would just add bulk. But the pants are a perfect fit. Like, seriously perfect. The bagging goes just right, the height, the waist is everything. Unlike the old Eiffel House pants he had, these were way too big for this Impel Doll body. But SartoriaJ's, SartoriaJ's, I don't know how to pronounce that. They're perfect. They have some give in the back, so even if you have an Eiffel House doll with a bigger booty, it'll still be perfect. It's just that this can be worn by a slightly smaller doll as well. The shirt is my absolute favorite, even though it shows up only a little. I love that there's that peak of chest, and I love how it layers with everything else. Price-wise, it's on the more expensive side, sort of similar to Eiffel House themselves, I guess. But if you are looking for something on the higher end, I guess, or want to like save up for it like I did, I would definitely recommend it. All the little details and considerations make it really great. There's only one thing about this that I did not like, and that was this that came to tie up this. It's the same stuff as this, but it feels too thick to poke through these things, and when I tried, it got like super frayed. So I don't know, I'm not going to close this. In fact, I might even take this and put it under the jacket and just have the jacket open. But that is something that you might want to consider. But then again, just replacing this is really easy. Though I don't know, you would probably want to replace all the other ones as well, and that's a bit of a hassle. It's not too much, but it's a bit. Styling wise, it feels similar to Eiffel Houses. Maybe it's inspired by this set. I don't know which set this was, but if I had to choose between this Apple House set and this SartoriaJ look, I would definitely go for this SartoriaJ look. For a variety of reasons, but one of them being that it doesn't feel like this is built, Apple House's clothes are built to last in a similar way. So this all feels very sturdy, whereas this Apple House ensemble has some bits that do feel like they will fray, like this. This bit here feels like I have to be super careful with it, which is nice if you're looking to display dolls, but not as nice if you are looking to play with them like I am. But that's it for today. I'll go and edit this out and continue admiring this beautiful detailing. And I'll leave the link to the shop below. It's in Etsy, so it's not too difficult. And I'll see you next time. Bye!